Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe. Today in this video, we are going to be doing press-ons. All right, y'all. So if you guys do not know, ladies, I don't really go to the nail salon or like that to get my nails done. I truly feel like I could be using that money or something else. So today in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through step by step on how I do my nails and like less than 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial. These are the nails that I'm going to be actually wearing today. These are the BTARTBOX soft gel press-ons. And again, y'all, I love these press-ons. I love these so much, y'all. And if y'all don't know, actually, y'all, these press-ons, it does last me for like maybe a month or so. I get a lot of compliments when I wear my press-ons. It's like, people be like, these are press-ons? And I'm like, yeah, like these are press-ons. So I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I do my nails so you guys can actually see. I will be linking the link to these press-ons down in the description box below. So if you guys do want to get these, they're available on Amazon. So how I get my nails to last me a full month, you guys, is all about the glue that you're using, okay? I don't really use no Beauty Spot store press-on glue. I don't really use that liquid press-on glue, y'all. I don't really use that. So the glue that I'm going to be using, guys, is the semi-solid glue. This right here, y'all, is a game changer, okay? So I'm going to link everything, y'all, below into the description box if you guys want to get some of this glue. But this, everything, y'all, these two things, this is legit how I be doing my nails in like 30 minutes or less, okay? So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. All right, y'all, so right now, you guys, let me go ahead and open up these press-ons. So like I like to do, you guys, is first I have to kind of like find the nails that kind of fit my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that right now. Okay, so it comes with some like a pack of nails. It comes with some extra nails right here. It also comes with like these little jelly things. I don't really use these like this, you guys. Don't really care for them like that. Comes with some alcohol pads. I don't really use these like that. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But my nails are like, they're pretty clean right now for what it is right now. I may just go ahead and just do it for the video. But these also comes with like a little wooden stick for your cuticles, a filer, and then nail glue. So I don't really use these things besides the filer if I'm going to use that, but that's all I'll really be doing. So let's go ahead and open up the pack of nails. This is the fun part. Okay, let me go ahead and put all the nails. So I already just figured out which nails was used for which fingers. So I'm about to go ahead and just press and go. And I'm just going to show you guys step by step on how I do it. Really easy. Don't really have to waste that much time, you guys, when you're doing something like this. So again, just a little drop of glue. Little drop. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and press it on here.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still want to party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can playing tag. Red, bitty spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the Bob billing out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing the scene out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'm up ready to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. And I know the trick, so I got him rigged. We ain't over it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. When I get back, I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive.
So I just completed my left hand, y'all. So far, so good. You cannot tell me I did not go to nail salon, y'all. These look so good, y'all. Look at the design on these nails. I love it so much. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and do the right hand.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no love for me, it's only you.
And y'all, that's it, y'all. That legit took less than 30 minutes. Like, for real, y'all. The design on these nails, you guys. I love how these nails came out. It looked like I went to the nail salon, y'all. Like, these eat. Watch, y'all. I'm going to be getting so many compliments on these nails, y'all. And it took me less than 30 minutes to do. So, I honestly, truly feel like, y'all, I don't really find no need to go to the nail salon when I got my press-ons. But yeah. If you guys want to get these nails right here, I'm going to link it down in the description box below. And I will also link the glue as well that I use for these nails, y'all. Go hand in hand, y'all. I love this right here. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye, y'all.